Hey guys, welcome back to another cryptocurrency news article. Today's article comes out of crypto.news and looks like Bitcoin leaving crypto exchanges reach an all-time high. Yes, June was an amazing month for that. Bitcoin is currently at $21,632 as of recording of this video. So I think briefly we took back the 22,000 mark. But yeah, people are taking their coins off the exchanges because they want to be in control. They are finally understanding the not your keys, not your coins, and they're not leaving them on exchanges no more. They're not putting them with the lending protocols that we've seen been collapsing like Celsius, 3RS Capital, or whatnot. So let's go over this article and see the numbers that happened. So since 2022 began, the crypto market has been in a downward trend. The decline has affected several digital currencies, including the flagship currency, Bitcoin. However, June recorded the greatest outflow of Bitcoin, leaving crypto exchange platforms. This brings the balance left on all exchange firms to over 2.4 million BTC. That's not a lot. There's only 21 million Bitcoin out there, and having that on exchanges, oof. What's going to happen once all of them are gone? But the largest amount of Bitcoin to leave crypto exchanges in June. Last month, risk worries seized the entire crypto community as the market dropped. As a result, June became the highest month of Bitcoin net withdrawals in history. It recorded a 30-day peak net change of about 152,446 BTC departing exchanges. This was the record before the 26th of June. Also, over 123,652 Bitcoin left exchanges during June. However, this total at the end of June was low, yet still very significant. Although these monthly withdrawals were a milestone in BTC, they weren't in terms of dollars. Last year, April and September witnessed bigger amounts of net withdrawals in terms of dollars. Meanwhile, denoting figures in terms of dollars in BTC provides more insight into the market. However, using Bitcoin terms is also preferable. This is because it allows for consistent measurement across different periods. As of the time of writing, 2.4 million Bitcoin, which represents $49.35 billion and around 12.58% of the entire circulating supply, were spread over various exchanges. Also, the Glassnode report shows that the balances on BTC on exchanges have decreased during the past 2 years. Now, market situation for Bitcoin in June. Meanwhile, exchange balances and exchange rates may not correlate all the time. However, keeping an eye on long-term patterns may be helpful, particularly when the trend dramatically changes as it did in March 2020. In June, BTC's price were at the $30,000 level. At the beginning of the month, however, prices sharply dropped and markets have yet to recover fully. Between the 18th and 18th of June, BTC and USD fell from $31,600 to $17,612. Oh, was that in a 1 day mark? No, it wasn't 1 day. I think that was like a week period. But during this time, inflation in the US remained at a very high level. This compelled the Federal Reserve to raise rates once more. The Fed increased the rate by 75 basis points to rein in on spending. The hike helped increase market confidence as traders bought the dip in June. Given the significant counterparty risk the crypto sector has recently been exposed to, it will be fascinating to observe if the pattern of declining exchange balances will increase. I don't know. I think it will. I think people will eventually just understand that you want to be in control of your cryptos. So people will get self-custodial, non-custodial wallets. A couple of wallets out there that are great for that is Exodus, the Divi wallet, Trezor, Ledger, and even Ballet. Ballet is like a little metal card with your seed phrase right on it. So yeah, those are a couple of good decentralized. When I say decentralized, those are a couple of good non-custodial wallets out there. So yeah, so pretty cool. I love this article right here because it just shows that people are getting it. They are finally getting it, and that's amazing. So if you guys like this article, smash that thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and until next time, the Crypto Sherpa is out.